Sirius Electric, for 30 years, has been creating systems for the welding of thermoplastic materials. Sirius Electric is a modern-day company projected into the future. It designs and creates welding installations in the Vigevano plant outside Milan. But the system, the machine, is only the last part of a more complex path. A path that starts with an idea. A project which, with sophisticated CNC machines, takes shape inside the matter to then be guided by electronics. Careful control of the entire production process, the creativity of its designers, combined with the ability to handle every phase of the processing, has created a virtuous circle. An idea that is repeated and has been evolving for 30 years. To invent and build every machine in its own factory. Therefore, a path of continuous improvement, the increasing expectations of clients, leaders in their industries, find continuous, positive answers. Sirius Electric finds, for every type of part, the highest performing and most profitable welding method. And after the sale, it follows the client at their factory in all technical support activities. There are 4 technologies that have been developed: ultrasonic welder, vibration welder, spin welder, and hot plate welder, each with different characteristics, advantages and purposes. And it is in fact during the analysis phase of the client's objectives that the Sirius Electric experience makes the difference. In fact, every time that it becomes necessary to assemble plastic objects, the Sirius Electric R&D department analyzes the project and the client's objectives. First, by evaluating all the material, then the geometry of the model, and lastly, the productivity that is expected from the investment. The sale of welding machines, integrated with the sharing of the know-how with its contacts, makes the Sirius Electric project unique. The engineers start with the client's idea to arrive at the design of the welding joints and the selection of the best technology to be used. The mathematics of every piece is checked to understand which solution to adopt. Only then are the welding machine or the accessories intended to meet the expectations of the client designed and created. The assembly of parts in thermoplastic material can be done with very different systems. There are about 14 possible technologies. Sirius Electric, during 30 years of business, has developed 4 different systems. Ultrasonic welding, manual or pneumatic, has great advantages. It is extremely quick, does not damage the material, eliminates screws and gluing, but requires rigid materials in forms that are not complex in order to ensure a constant propagation of the energy within the part. It is particularly suitable in the automotive, electronics, medical and packaging sectors. Vibration welding makes it possible to join together almost all thermoplastic medium and large size materials. But the positioning phase of the elements is particularly critical. It requires more time and parts with high rigidity to be able to successfully transfer the energy. Spin welding is the most flexible because it can be repeated, is economical, suitable for most plastic materials, but has significant restrictions in terms of the geometry of the parts. Hot plate welding is simple, economical, repeatable also on large parts, and has longer cycle times. That is why Sirius Electric's experience becomes decisive. Not only the welding machines, but how to use them after having built them together.